Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic little Hyundai i10. So this car features air conditioning, you also get cruise control, speed limiter, it's got a radio with CD player, it's only had one owner from new and is £30 a year to tax. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.2 litre petrol engine that gives you 86 horsepower. It's done under 34,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Used Car Centre in Yeovil. Thank you.